Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Some unusual postcodes have fascinating stories, such as 99,999 in Santa Claus, Indiana, USA, attributed to the town's unique name and its Christmas-themed attractions. Another example is the alphanumeric Canadian postcodes like H0H0H0 for Santa's Workshop, showcasing Canada Post's sense of humour. In the UK, the District of Westminster in London has postcodes starting with W1A1A, reserved for the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, reflecting its iconic status. These stories highlight how postcodes can capture local culture, history, or even a bit of whimsy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.